Now you must be wondering, who are you? Why is your video so poor, but then so good? The question is that the YouTube algorithm. That didn't answer anything. Testing an air tank today, so we're gonna hope we don't die. So it does work, just very poorly at the moment with small air capacity. So plan is to, what is the plan? Get the tank, plan is to get the tank, put it in an open location so we can't die to it, connect the tank up to the air compressor, and after we hook up the air compressor, we have to turn on the air compressor and hope it doesn't explode on us. Simple, simple. Step 4 and 5 is to wait, hope it doesn't blow up, and hook up an air piston to it. See how it goes. What? All the air escaped. Round 2, 45 psi. Yeah. That left a hole in the ground. Okay, quickly. Where's the controls? Oh no. Ah! So that was about 3 uses, but that was only like 45. I'll come back with 100. So we're at 50 psi now, I think. Ooh, and we hear a little leakage. Okay, 3 minutes. It's always scary. Always scary. Yeah, so 3 minutes. Not too bad. Well, yeah, 3 minutes. Let's try to have some fun. Shooting off some shots. Let's see what 30 seconds can do and how far I get with the shots. So I'm gonna go get the thing really quick. Measuring tape. So this is a test about 50 seconds under constant PSI. Let's see how this bad boy does. Test under 70-ish PSI. That works. I didn't get the measuring tape. That's about 18 feet right there. I don't know in meters because I'm American.